This is another story. This story is from Samoa. This is the story about the friendship between the bat and the rat. Long, long time ago, the rat was jealous of the bat because the bat, he had wings and he could fly. And that rat would just have to run along the ground. And the rat, he watched the bat for several days. And he saw this bat come to eat from this one tree. And the bat came and he ate the fruit in this tree. And so the rat, what he did is he climbed up the tree and he waited for the bat to come and eat the fruit. And when the bat came, he was flying. And he came close to the tree and he saw the rat was in the tree. So the bat, he flew to a different tree, to an Efi tree. And what the rat did is he climbed down the tree and he ran across the ground and he climbed up the Efi tree. And as he was climbing up, the bat could see him climbing up the tree. And so the bat started to fly away. And the rat, he saw the bat flying away. He said, "Ole ali'ipea, Sir Bat." They called each other Sir in those days because they were all chiefs. "Sir Bat, you have been eating, this is my tree. You've been eating illegally from the fruit of my tree. But Sir Bat, you can come back and eat from the fruit of my tree." And so the bat, he came back, he said, "Oh, what you say is right. This is your tree." And the rat said, "Yes, this is my tree." And the bat, "But you can eat from the fruit of my tree, because I want us to be friends." And the bat, okay, so he was eating from the fruit of the tree. And as he was eating, the rat was talking to him. He says, "Sir Bat, when you fly so high, aren't you scared?" The bat said, "No, I'm not scared." He says, "You're not scared?" The bat said, "No, I'm not scared." "Sir Bat, feel sorry for me. I want to know what it's like to fly. Sir Bat, can I borrow your wings? And I can fly around and see what it's like?" And the bat, he said, "Okay, yeah." So the bat, he took off his wings and he put them on the rat. And the rat said, "Could you take my feet and my tail so that when I fly they don't interfere?" And the bat said, "Oh, okay." So the rat, he took out the feet, he took off his feet and he took off his tail and he put it on the bat. And the bat, he said, "Sir Rat, when you fly, don't go very far because I have to go soon." And the rat said, "Don't worry. I will just fly to that tree over there and I'll come back." The bat said, "Okay." So the rat, he flew. He flew over the hill. He never came back. And the bat, he saw that. He said, "Oh wait, he's taking my wings and now I cannot fly." And from that day to this, the thing we call as the bat is really the rat. The thing we call the bat is the rat because he took the wings of the bat. And that thing we call the rat is really the bat whose wings were taken. In the old days in Samoa, when one chief fooled another chief, the chiefs would say to the chief who had been fooled, "Didn't you know about the friendship between the bat and the rat?" Mahopitiini, Prao.